You're strong.
Ooh, who's got you?
Let's see your toofies.
If I got no with your hair, get her. She wants it. Just like hair.
Then she's gonna pull it. Look
And
out.
she's gonna get it, Cade. Oh, she's frustrated. You won't let her play with your hair.
See, I would, except she pulls it all the time.
She does. And she gets a grip.
And she didn't just eat.
Yeah, I know.
You want to see her face light up, Katie has to walk in the room, and that's all it takes.
That's
Yep.
Loves that big sissy.
okay.
Are you done with that now?